During the economic activities, a society faces a problem of scarcity of resources. And further, the problem of scarcity of resources gives rise to the problem of choice. Now let's understand central problems of economy. Meaning of central problem of an economy. Problems arise due to scarce resources and unlimited wants, are called central problems of an economy, or fundamental problems of an economy. Moving on. Types of central problems of an economy. What to produce and, in what quantities, how to produce. For whom to produce. Now, question is that, how to solve these central problems of an economy. There are different economic systems in this world, and economic activities are managed differently in these economic systems. Hence, these problems are solved differently in these different economies. Next, types of economies, or economic systems. Free economic system. Socialistic economic system or centrally planned economic system. Mixed economic system. Now we shall understand the meaning of different economic systems, and how central problems are solved in these different economic systems. First of all, we will start with free economic system. Such economic system, where all economic decisions are taken based on the demand and supply forces in the market, is called free market economic system. What to produce, decision related to the production is taken based on the demands from consumers. Next, how to produce, if producer is left free to decide that what kinds of technology should be used in production, then he will choose labor or capital in such way that reduces overall cost of production. Next, whom to produce, it depends on purchasing power of individuals. Thus, goods and services shall be produced for those who have purchasing power to buy these goods and services. Next, centrally planned economic system. All economic decisions are taken by the government or central authority. Centrally planned economy has certain advantages over the free economic system. It helps to manage the limited resources efficiently during the crisis time or warlike situations. Centrally planned economic system also provides remedy for market failure, such as provision of public goods, like free education, roads and protecting nation from external aggression. Now let's see how different problems are solved in centrally planned economic system. What to produce, decisions related to what kinds of goods and services are to be produced is taken by the government. Hence decisions are not taken based on the consumer preferences. Generally, government decides based on the demands from all sections of society. Even the certain section of society may not have enough purchasing power to make the demand. But still government produces for them as well. Next, how to produce. It is also taken by the government with help of its employees and advisors. Here, government has to take care of employment opportunities. Next, whom to produce. Such decision is also taken by the government, or central authority. Government cannot neglect the section of society that does not have purchasing power. Government makes the provision of free education and health services. Mixed economic system. Mixed economic system is characterized by the coexistence of both public sector as well as private sector, or in other words, mixed economic system is mixture of free market economic system and socialist economic system. In reality, all economies are mixed economies, where some important decisions are taken by the government. government decides the course of economic activities. But different economies have different extent of role of government in economic activities. For example, government has minimum role in economic activities in America, while in country like India, government has larger role in economic activities. Now see how central problems are dealt in mixed economic system. What to produce, decision related to the what to produce is taken by the both consumers as well as government. Government plays crucial role in deciding the directions of economic activities, and further, plays leading role where private sector is not ready to come. It makes the provisions of free education and health, how to produce. Here both producers as well as government take the decision. Government takes its decision keeping in mind the employment opportunities. On other side, private sector that works based on free economic system, takes the such decision that minimizes the cost. For whom to produce, it depends on the purchasing powers of consumers and government preferences. Private sector produces for those who have purchasing powers, and government sector even considers the section of society that does not have enough purchasing power.